IKEA's smart home gadgets are gradually becoming every home's must-have. But just recently, they came up with a new technology that may just be alien to the ecosystem. Strangely, this technology is meant to make every other smart device in your house look like a dusty antique. A tiny hub for a massive world. Here's the problem nobody talks about. Your smart home was supposed to make life easier. Instead, you're unlocking your phone to dim the lights, opening 3 different apps to adjust the volume, and screaming, "Hey Google!" from the couch hoping something responds. That's not smart. That's complicated. IKEA noticed, and their answer is the BILRESA scroll wheel. It fits in your palm, has no screen, and runs on a single rechargeable AAA battery. Somehow, it controls everything. Lights, music, temperature, all from one physical dial that you can stick to a wall or leave on your coffee table. But here's what makes this different from every remote you've ever used. It doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It runs on Thread, a mesh network protocol that talks directly to your devices. That means no internet, no lag, and no dropped connection when your router acts up. You get the speed of a hardwired switch with the flexibility of a wireless remote. And this is where it gets interesting. BILRESA is not in stores yet, and IKEA is holding it back deliberately. Why? Because the engineers are perfecting the matter over thread integration to ensure it works with every brand on Earth. The same open protocol that lets one device talk to Apple, Google, Amazon, and Samsung products simultaneously. Previous IKEA gadgets only worked with IKEA bulbs, but this wheel controls a Philips Hue bulb, a Sonos speaker, and an Eve smart plug at the same time. So IKEA is waiting until the technology is perfect. Not good enough, but perfect. That's either incredibly disciplined or incredibly bold for a company that sells furniture for under $20. This means there has to be something special about this device. Breaking the chains of the smartphone. Reliability is the core reason why this small dial is going to save you from the constant headache of modern technology. Most people hate having to find their phone just to dim the lights for a movie or turn down the volume of a speaker. The BILRESA scroll wheel solves this by providing a tactile, physical response that feels natural and immediate. It uses the new Thread mesh network, which means it doesn't rely on a central internet connection to talk to your other devices. This new IKEA device works together with SmartThings pet care features to help your home respond to your pet's routines, making it significantly more helpful than previous remotes. The same devices also support SmartThings family care, helping you keep an eye on everyday moments like a door left open. And the list remains endless because it will never lag or lose connection when your Wi-Fi acts up. You get the speed of a hardwired switch with the flexibility of a wireless remote that travels anywhere in the room.
So it's quite flexible in the way that it sort of moves around. And then when you move your finger, you can easily just slide your finger on there without moving at all.
Specifications that defy the price tag. Remember when we talked about the fact that this device runs on a single rechargeable AAA battery? Well, what exactly does that mean for you? First, this is a massive upgrade over the expensive and annoying coin cell batteries used in older models. This smart power management ensures your device remains operational for months on end while significantly reducing the long-term cost of ownership for every household. Additionally, the new BILRESA button remotes make it easy for everyone in the home to control their devices. The build quality is rugged enough for outdoor use, yet the design is clean enough for a high-end living room. It offers a versatile solution that withstands the elements while maintaining a sleek aesthetic that blends perfectly with any modern interior decor style. It features a magnetic back that snaps onto any metal surface, and the scrolling action is smooth, just enough resistance to feel premium. Better than anything you own. Comparing this unreleased wheel to the old trad-free remotes is like comparing a modern smartphone to a rotary telephone. The old versions were limited to IKEA bulbs only and often required a specific hub that was difficult to set up. This is the shift nobody in the smart home industry wanted to make. Every tech company for the last decade has been pushing screens. Bigger screens, smarter screens, more screens. They built entire ecosystems around keeping your eyes on glass. But IKEA looked at all of that and said, what if you just turned a dial? Let's take out the voice command, the app menu, and eliminate the need to remember passwords. One physical gesture and your environment responds. The end of the smart home struggle. Curiosity is growing because this represents a total shift in how we interacted with the spaces where we live. This feature is insane because it removes the tech feeling from the smart home and replaces it with a simple human gesture. Every single motion provides instant control over your environment while providing a tactile sensation that feels both natural and satisfying. A single rotation can dim the lights to a soft glow, while another movement can adjust the volume of your favorite music playlist seamlessly. Once this hits the market, the days of screaming at a voice assistant or scrolling through a list of apps will be over. It's the missing link that finally makes a smart home feel like a regular home again. This seamless integration ensures that technology serves the person rather than forcing the person to serve the complex digital machine. The brilliance of this design is that it requires zero technical knowledge to operate, making it the perfect solution for children and guests alike. You'll be able to walk into a room and just turn a dial to create the perfect atmosphere. This is the moment when smart technology stops being a hobby for experts and becomes a tool for everyone. A new chapter for every household. IKEA has managed to create a device that is both incredibly advanced and stupidly simple to use. The BILRESA scroll wheel is not just another plastic button. It's a gateway to a home that actually listens to you. This revolutionary engineering bridges the gap between complex software and physical comfort by offering a sturdy grip and elegant motion. By choosing to wait until the Matter technology was perfect, IKEA has ensured that this will be the last remote you ever need to buy. It eliminates the frustration of outdated systems by providing a future-proof solution that works with every single major platform available today. The smart home world will never be the same once this tiny circle starts appearing in homes across the country. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's going to change your life forever. IKEA isn't just producing smart gadgets for your homes. It's giving you ease and comfort at a more affordable rate, making life easy, fun, and affordable. The BILRESA scroll wheel is not just another smart home gadget. It's a direct argument that the entire industry has been building in the wrong direction. Once it hits shelves, the question won't be whether you need one. The question will be why it took this long. IKEA is not just making your home smarter, they're making it feel like a home again. But this incredibly smart and innovative technology leaves everyone with just one question. What happens next in the smart home industry? Will we see a new wave of competition, or will IKEA continue to dominate the market?